skill I would put it, I would not put it on record. अभी जो एक्सरसाइज मैंने आपको बताई, स्किल सबके पास होती है. सबसे अच्छा एंजल हीलर, सबसे अच्छा हिप्नोथेरेपिस्ट कोई भी हो, बट फाइनली लोग आपके पास आपके स्किल सेट के लिए नहीं आते हैं. वो आते हैं आपकी आवाज सुन के, आपकी कन्विंसिंग पावर देख के, आप में क्या है वो देख के लोग आते हैं. क्योंकि आपसे 10 गुना ज्यादा, मेरे से 10 गुना ज्यादा लोग मार्केट में है. अमिताभ का जो गाना था, कौन सा, मैं पल दो पल का शायर हूँ, पल दो पल मेरी जवानी है, बहुत से लोग आएंगे और आके जाएंगे भी. It matters that how you create your imprint in the mind for people. Whenever you are selling anything, the first and the most important thing is you should show to your audience what is the pain. Again I am saying, जिसको लिख लेना है लिख के ले सकता है. पहले पेन दिखाओ, first show your pain, then amplify that pain, then show the solutions which are available, then show what exactly you have, what outcome you can give, and then final what result the person will get. Pasteur formula कहा जाता है, it works well 100%. इसके अलावा कल जो exercises मैंने बताए थे, the exercises which we had discussed yesterday, how many of you have tried it? If anyone could see any difference, they can share it, because we have 4 more minutes to discuss. So कल का जो है उसको भी, anyone who would like to share the experiences?
Sir, I tried and it has helped me in sound sleep.
Louder, थोड़ा सा जोर से बोलिए.
सर मैंने इसको ट्राई किया था और ट्राई करने के बाद मतलब मैं 7 आवर्स तक विदाउट एनी प्रॉब्लम मतलब मेरी साउंड स्लीप आई 7 आवर्स तक. आई डिडंट वेक अप. नहीं तो इन द मिडल ऑफ द नाइट मुझे मेरी नींद अपने आप खुल जाती थी, just for no reason. It happened.
So you could get a very sound sleep.
Very sound sleep.
Very nice. Very nice.
और मुझे खुद भी सुबह लग रहा था कि what a change. मतलब सिर्फ I have practiced for so less that Tarata meditation and second that जो आपने breathing hold करने के लिए कहा था. 2 things I tried. बहुत मुझे नहीं पता.
See the result immediately. और बहुत सारे lots of things will come eventually. And I'm happy that you could do it with whole heart, and the trust is important. Finally, whatever you do, if you have trust in the things, then it will work, or else even your milk will act as a poison if you don't believe that milk. Even the best of best medicine can kill you if you don't believe that medicine. 2 things always happen. First is placebo effect, and second is nocebo effect. Placebo effect happens when you believe something. For example, if you see the movie Secret, in that movie they have shown in one of the scenes they have mentioned that that guy picks up the stones and from the riverbed, and then he says that this is the magic stone. If you believe it, it will work like a magic stone. If you believe in certain things, like for example, if your small kid if it's not well, if you take him to the regular doctor, you will see that his recovery is happening faster, because that placebo effect works. But nocebo effect, yesterday when I concluded the class, I had mentioned that even the smallest negative thought can be as disastrous, rather more than the after effects of chemotherapy. So nocebo effect also plays very important role in the life. If you have a negative thought, it can kill you like anything. You will not even realize that when your life is ending, because every negative thought directly works on your cellular biology, and cellular biology, if once it is disturbed, no matter how much DNA healing you do from any therapist, nothing in the world can help you unless and until you reprogram your entire mindset with that, yes, your mind can do it. Your mind can help. So first start believing in itself. Like this single glass of, like this bottle of water can make my life fantastic, or else it can make my life worse. Because I believe that every sip of this water will make me healthy. So it will make me healthy. But if I start believing that no, this water might not help me, I'll require a surgeon to work on my XYZ, then things will not work. So believe that your subconscious mind has all the programs. So now to start the class further, I'm sure others must have also seen some experiences and seen the things in the yesterday's process which they must have done. The day when you started driving, you couldn't drive your car or you couldn't drive your bike, whatever it is. But today you are able to drive it comfortably. Reason, first day when you had taken the steering wheel in your hand, you had all the apprehensions which you might have heard from n number of people. You can't drive on the first day, you lose the control on your brake, clutch and accelerator, you might mispress it, you are not able to put up the gears, whatever, n number of things. But today you are able to drive comfortably. The reason being, you had made an honest effort consciously to overcome those subconscious thoughts which have been imprinted in your mind over the years. Like there is a small belief since childhood, many people believe that one can't learn cycle unless and until his knees are broken. जब तक घुटने नहीं टूटोगे आप टूटेंगे नहीं, आप साइकिल नहीं सीखोगे. जब तक गिरोगे नहीं तब तक साइकिल नहीं सीखोगे. But I remember I didn't fall even a single day while learning the cycle. Same happened for the bike. Because if you understand how exactly it will work, you will be able to make it happen. Don't buy such beliefs from anyone. People believe पैसे पेड़ पे नहीं उगते हैं, you don't get money on the trees. Once you believe that things can happen, things will happen. Then this tree can be in a multiple aspect. That if I say that yes, money can grow on tree, it's not necessary that you will go and pluck the money from the tree, but maybe you will be able to find multiple sources of income. You will be able to see that your money is working for you. People who invest in like Bitcoin, I'm not advocating anything, but Bitcoin or whatever, ESP, whatever things those are, they see that their money gets multiplied. Because you believe in it. You believe something and you keep your money in bank. Because you have been trained since your childhood that yes, if you keep your money in your bank, it will be safe. So having such beliefs makes lots of difference. Nowadays, there are also multiple options which can give you multiple ways to generate money. So always also try to analyze that whatever beliefs you are carrying since your childhood, are they sufficing your present requirement? Whether it is for your relationship, whether it's for your health, whether it's for your wealth. Whatever things you do, if your beliefs are not sufficing your requirement, then it is not needed for you to have such beliefs. Anyone who is having any such beliefs for anything, whether relationship, health, wealth, or anything. Anyone having any painful memory? So even before proceeding further, today I would like to do one more demo also. Anyone who has any painful memory, you don't have to tell me, but just let me know the intensity of that memory and we'll try to work out to release it maybe in maximum 3 to 5 minutes. At least I'll help you to release that intensity completely. You don't have to tell me. Anyone who would like to give a try? Okay, sir.
Hi, sir.
Welcome. Please mute yourself. Please mute yourself. What you have to do is, in the entire process of like 3 to 5 minutes, just You have to think about that event, whatever is that painful event. You don't have to tell me, neither you have to tell anyone. Then visualize a spinning wheel, Kumar ka Paiya. You have to keep that event on that particular wheel. And when I say 1, you have to rotate it clockwise. When I say 2, you have to rotate it anti-clockwise. And while rotating, you have to see, you have to feel that the event is breaking down into smallest possible flowers of your choice. And you are being showered with that flower. Got this? Let us do it. Close your eyes. As you are listening my voice, you will start taking your breath in the deepest possible way, and you will start deep breathing down to your belly. Very deep, 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 deep breathing. Now, as you are breathing deeply, see that event in front of your eyes. That event which is actually bothering you, see that event exactly in front of your eyes. Now, as you are aware about the potter's wheel, Kumar ka Paiya, as you know how exactly it works, visualize yourself keeping that event, complete event on the potter's wheel. On the potter's wheel, on the spinning wheel, whatever you say. Keep that event on that particular wheel. And now when I say 1, you will move that wheel clockwise. When I say 2, you will move the event, we will move the wheel anti-clockwise. While you are rotating, you will see, feel, and experience that the entire event is getting broken into smallest possible flowers of your choice, and they will fall on you. So let us start. Keep that event on the potter's wheel, and let's start. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very slowly open your eyes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Try to recollect that event. What is the intensity of that event now? पहले 10 के मुकाबले कितनी थी, अब कितनी हुई है? Like if you try to recollect that event on the scale of 10, what is the intensity? Are you able to recollect it, or it's like it has reduced? Dadit ji, are you able to recollect that event, or has it reduced?
कम हुआ है.
कम हुआ है. इसको वापस, like if you do it 2-3 times, maybe 10 times, you will see that whatever was that event, that intensity will go. See, I am not a god, neither any one of you is a god to like clear that event completely. But the only thing what we can do is we can reduce the intensity of that event.
Disturbance in the voice.
So that next time whenever you see, or whenever you when you see or when you feel that yes, if the same person comes in front of you, you will not feel that pain. It will be the same feeling the way you move to cannot place and see multiple people and then you come back. बिल्कुल उससे फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. So anyone who has any such memories, any painful events in their life, this is the easiest technique which can help you to come out of the emotional pain. Plus, I have personally used this even for physical pains. But for that, you have to believe. Give a shape to your pain. Keep it on that wheel and rotate it. पक्का जाएगा. So with this, we start today's class now. Already class शुरू किया है, but फिर भी कुछ सोचा और extra बता दूं. So yesterday we were working on subconscious mind. We were discussing about subconscious mind, and okay. So today I have something to show you. What is this? तो मैं सबको म्यूट अनम्यूट क्या पॉसिबल है? What is this?
Onion.
Onion.
It is a red color covered onion with some strings and some tail also, and it's very bright and shining inside, and it's round in color.
Perfect. Now, what is this?
Now the outer peel is removed. It is a cut. You can see the layer by layer formation of the onion with the vertical string, and it's still round, and it's now three-dimensionally like a ball shape.
Okay. So anyone who would like to extrapolate it or try to correlate it with something?
This is polished one and this is a raw one.
Okay. और कौन-कौन क्या-क्या बोलना चाहेगा इसके बारे में?
Body and soul. One is body. The body is removed and another is soul.
और
It's like cut a tree woods where you see the old wrinkle sign inside in the cutting tree wood. Same thing you see in onion when they cut the layer by layer formation. You can see.
because I can guarantee one thing today to you, lifetime, that अगर आज ये concept आप समझ लोगे ना, if you are able to grasp this concept today, till your last day, I wish you live 100, 120 years, but you will be able to remember this concept lifetime. और थोड़ा सा ध्यान दे दो, try to find out what exactly it is.
सर रफली ट्राई कर सकता हूँ एग्जैक्ट नहीं.
हाँ बिल्कुल सर.
Probably to be of use or to be of some positive value, you have to shed your older baggage.
In one way, yes, it is right, absolutely. But still, maybe if someone would like to try something different, आपने
Sir,
बिल्कुल सही कहा.
Mind में
You
पड़ा
are polishing yourself and making it the best out of yourself, like the crude form and the bestest form of your mind.
Almost 90% close.
Sir, to
म्यूट कर
use
दीजिए अपने आप को, प्लीज म्यूट कर दीजिए. होने के बाद प्लीज म्यूट कर दीजिए. मैं सबको अनम्यूट ही रखूंगा because I can't go and unmute or mute everyone. Please keep yourself muted. Who would like to give a second
बाहर
try?
का आउटर लेयर कैसे भी हो, लेकिन इनर जो वर्ल्ड है सभी का वो बेस्ट ही बना हुआ है. लाइकवाइज
परत दर
Sir-
परत है हर चीज, मतलब माइंड में भी परत दर परत कुछ ना कुछ दबा हुआ है.
So covered, uncovered, sir.
Body and soul.
Sir, if we have to use our subconscious mind properly, we have to remove cautious level from there.
100% right.
Cautious mind को close करना
100%
हटाना
right.
पड़ेगा, तब subconscious mind
The
use होगा.
onion in the left is your conscious mind, and when you peel off the layers, your subconscious mind comes out. We'll go to the deeper concept, how exactly it works. Conscious mind जो होता है आपका, like whatever is your conscious mind, it is hardly 10% what you see. Rest everything is subconscious mind. Today, whatever you are doing, whatever efforts you put everything consciously. But most of the times, these conscious efforts are also the outcome of your subconscious re-imprinting. Whatever things you must have re-imprinted since your childhood, that has become a program in your mind. And you consciously put efforts to make it happen. For example, if you see, like many of you must be cooking at home, the first day when you started cooking, you couldn't make it perfect. The first day when you started driving, you couldn't make it perfect. But you made honest efforts consciously so that it became a program in your subconscious mind. And now when it is a permanent program in your subconscious mind, no matter what happens while cooking also, even if you are listening to music, you will see that your roti becomes quite circular. Your sabzi will also become quite tasty. Because that program is already fed in your mind, how much salt you need to add, how much sugar you need to add, whatever things are there. So outer layer, outer covering of your program, of your conscious mind, it is also dictated by your inner subconscious mind. So it depends upon you that whatever things are happening in your life today, I'm giving vice versa principle also. In the first principle, we will see that whatever things are happening in your life are because of the subconscious re-imprint since your childhood. One or the other way, you must have seen the things. Now, if you have to change those old patterns, the most important thing is you have to consciously put efforts to change the imprint. For example, when you were born, 6-7 महीने के बाद, when you must have seen that yes, your teeth have started growing, your parents started brushing in front of you. They told you to brush your teeth. They made you brush your teeth. That became a program in your mind in such a strong way that today, no matter what, I believe that you all brush your teeth. That has become a program. So consciously you made the efforts and then that program has formed in your mind. यहाँ तक किसी को कोई doubt है? Anyone having any doubt about this conscious and subconscious programming or whatever it is? You can raise your hands. या मुझे दिखाई नहीं देता है म्यूट इस पे होने के बाद. Anyone having any doubt about conscious subconscious? So we'll move further.
विवेक जी, मैं थोड़ा सा अलग सा सोच रहा था. मैं समझ पा रहा था बोलूं नहीं बोलूं. मैं ये देख रहा हूं जो रॉ प्याज है वो बीज है जो और प्याज बना सकता है, और जब कट गया तो अब और तो आने से रहा, उसकी कहानी वहीं खत्म हो गई. ये मैंने समझा.
What you thought is also the other side of the coin. Once finished, it's finished. But why to see it in a negative perspective? We are working on the mind class, mind therapy, that whatever is inside has the real power. If you see the smallest possible seed can germinate, can help you to germinate a giant banyan tree. So whatever it is there, it is in the seed. When the man and woman comes together, multiple seeds come together and then one human being is formed, one soul is formed. So we should never underestimate the power of the seed. It has a power to give a new life. So whether it's a small tree, whether it's a small seed, or whether it's like aapka aam ki gutli ho, not every mango seed will give you a mango tree. But the seed has the same properties to germinate. The only thing is that seed might not get the proper environment. For example, your subconscious mind, it has all the powers to make it happen. But probably I'm just addressing, it's not directly for you. Probably you didn't get the environment to nurture it in such a way that you can make it in a different way. Whatever nurturing happens, it depends upon your environment, our environment. How exactly are we allowing those thoughts to come inside our mind? the people around us, they also make a big difference in our nurturing. If we allow those people daily to give us the negative thoughts, we will completely go into the negative mode. So it depends upon us that how we allow our life to move further. If you want to become, if you, in the sense, if a person wants to become a monkey dancing on the key, he can easily become. And most of us, including me, most of the times, we behave like the dancing monkey because we have given our keys in other person's hand or in the hands of circumstances. That situations describe correctly how exactly our life will be. But if you take charge of your life, you will be able to see that you can make your life better because you can re-imprint your subconscious mind in a better way. आज का क्लास थोड़ा सा हो सकता है अभी आगे आने वाले जो टॉपिक्स है, you might feel boring, someone might feel boring, someone might feel कि यार ये हम मेडिकल के क्लास में नहीं बैठे हैं, someone might feel sleepy. Those who feel sleepy are free to sleep because I know that you will not be able to sleep once we start discussing the things. So importance of subconscious mind defines your lifestyle, defines how exactly your relationship will be. आज हम लोग जो discuss करेंगे, today we will be discussing most of the things about nervous system, autonomic nervous system, parasympathetic nervous system. थोड़ा सा tough जा सकता है, but try to listen because next complete 10 days, whatever we will be learning is based on today's class. Without understanding the human biology at the level of nervous system, that how your mind is programmed and how it works, hypnosis, numerology, astrology, Reiki, nothing can work if you don't understand the body mechanism. If you really want to excel in that field, वरना आप एक नॉर्मल रेकी हीलर, नॉर्मल न्यूमरोलॉजिस्ट, नॉर्मल एस्ट्रोलॉजर बहुत अच्छे बन सकते हो. If you go back like 200 or 300 years back, excellent astrologers also had a good knowledge of Ayurveda. They knew about ins and outs of the body. Today, it has become a fashion. Astrology, so people only see the chart which is system generated and they tell this can happen, that can happen. That doesn't happen. So one has to understand, if you really want to excel in this, you should understand this nervous system, at least basics of nervous system. Even if you are not into this, to make your own life better, it is important to understand the nervous system. So we'll move further. ज़्यादा मैं आप लोगों का टाइम का मुंबईया भाषा में बोलते हैं ना, टाइम खोटी नहीं करूँगा. So human mind, as I explained, मैं ज़्यादा यहाँ read नहीं करूँगा, but human mind is more about like onion. Shrek movie में ये specifically कहा गया that your mind has multiple layers. The outermost conscious layer, मैं ये पूरा पढ़ूंगा भी नहीं क्योंकि मैंने आपको समझाया है. But main important thing what I want to discuss here is your subconscious mind. It works on the autopilot mode. As I mentioned about when you are driving, when you are cooking, whatever things you are doing, things work perfectly. You are able to do it. Secondly, when you sleep, at that time also, your digestion happens, your breathing happens, your circulation happens, your internal organs are completely managed because that program has already been fed in your mind, in your brain. Your brain works perfectly fine because it knows how to perform. Your subconscious mind, which works in the autopilot mode, your body works when you sleep. Definitely तभी तो आप सब लोग आज यहाँ पे हो. So important ये है that आपका जो internal clock है body का, जो internal working है, that should be fine. And for 85% of the people, this is like when we say disease, especially because being a hypnotherapy class, we'll be focusing on health aspects also. As I said, 85% of the diseases are also always psychosomatic. Science has proven it. Psycho means your mind, soma is your body. Whatever happens in your mind directly reflects in your body. And वो किस तरह से reflect करता है वो भी हम लोग देखेंगे. And we'll try to understand the mechanism in the best way so that it becomes a permanent imprint in your mind. थोड़ा सा टफ जाएगा, गया तो भी bear with me because I know that you will see the difference happening in your mind. Human brain has two hemispheres, left and right brain. Left brain जो होता है आपका, ये सारे लॉजिकल चीजों के लिए बहुत ज्यादा मायने रखता है. Your skills, your science, your reasoning, your ability to give the logic, it is completely controlled by your left side of the brain. And right side of the brain shows your holistic thoughts, your imagination, your creativity, your left hand control, क्योंकि लेफ्ट ब्रेन जो है वो राइट हैंड को कंट्रोल करता है या राइट बॉडी को, एंड राइट ब्रेन जो है लेफ्ट बॉडी को कंट्रोल करता है. Your intuition power, everything comes in your brain, and your brain has everything. The only thing is we don't use our brains. Even बचपन में स्कूल में भी टीचर्स ने यही कहा होगा, माँ बाप भी कहते हैं, मम्मी डैडी must have also said that use your brains. टीचर ने भी बोला होगा use your brains. If you go through that movie Three Idiots, जहाँ पे वो सवाल पूछता है, he asked the question that if someone fails in the final exam, will he be able to get the exam? Will he be able to get the job? At that time, Boman Irani says that yes, these are the two most unused brains in the world. If you sell them, you will get maximum money out of it. So if you use your brain in the right direction, you will see that you are able to create a miracles in your life. और मैं खुद यकीन कह सकता हूँ because I have been, मतलब मैं brain use करता हूँ नहीं करता मुझे पता नहीं, but at least I have made efforts to see some results in the life. आपका खुद की सोच ही आपकी डिफाइन करेगी कि आपको लाइफ में क्या चाहिए क्या नहीं चाहिए. For example, suppose if someone is diagnosed with some health issue, now it depends upon you that where do you give your thought. If you give a thought कि हाँ ये तो कैंसर है, ये बढ़ सकता है, तो वो 100% बढ़ेगा. But अगर आप उसको दूसरे थॉट में देखते हो कि now I have came to know, I have realized that yes, something is wrong, now I need to work on it. Your brain has a capacity to make it happen. Right diagnosis is also equally important. Yesterday, that's the reason I said that whenever a client comes to you, whenever any person comes for therapy, make sure that you are able to read his reports. Those who really want to go into hypnotherapy should put honest efforts on reading the blood reports, on reading what doctor has mentioned and discuss with the doctor. Or else don't try hypnotherapy for the patients, try for relationship counseling, try for career counseling, try for self-confidence. Don't play with any patient's life if you are not sure about reading the blood reports. If you are not sure about how exactly you will be able to talk to a doctor. नींद मत आने दो, मुझे भी नींद आएगी. So focus how exactly you want to shift your brain. यहां तक क्लियर है? कॉन्शियस माइंड जो होता है वो हार्डली 5 to 6% ही आपका सामने होता है. You whatever you do, it hardly gives you 5 to 6% access, but that 5 to 6% of your brain defines your entire actions. 5 to 6% of your mind, conscious mind, defines your actions. Conscious mind is specifically meant for short-term memories. Like when you go in the mall, when you travel on the road, you see n number of the things. You just pass on, you see them for a fraction of seconds, and then it becomes like a trigger. Okay, yes, this is a short-term memory. Now I have to take a right. Now I have to take left. Or even when you meet many people in the mall, you see n number of people in the mall, you see n number of people daily, but you don't recollect everyone because you are seeing them consciously. But in that crowd of 100 people, suppose if you see a person who is wearing a yellow shirt with a red monkey on his head, you will be able to remember him completely. कितनों को याद रहेगा अगर मैं अभी बोलूं कि आपके सिर पे लाल बंदर आया है, immediately लोगों के सिर पे लाल बंदर दिखेगा. You will be able to see a blue monkey on your head if I say that yes, it is sitting on your head. Reason? The more you do it creatively, the more you go out of the way, your subconscious mind starts getting that imprint, because regular pattern, whatever is happening, regular pattern, you see many people. Your conscious mind takes it, yes, ये ऐसे ही लोग हैं सब. But tomorrow, if Manjit sir is traveling in the train, and if he sees the person wearing a red shirt and yellow jacket and a red turban on his head, he will be able to recollect his face even in the office, because he is somewhat different. So try to see the things in a different way, and you will realize the importance of your subconscious mind. You can't remember everything which you are seeing on the road, but something which is different, something which is weird, that directly becomes an imprint. I can 100% tell you that today, whatever example we saw about an onion, 99% of you will be able to remember it for a lifetime, that yes, onion was framed with subconscious mind. Maybe you will forget my name, क्योंकि वो अमिताभ का गाना है ना, कल और आएंगे मुझसे अच्छा कहने वाले, मुझसे अच्छा आपसे बेहतर सुनने वाले. So what matters is what you learn. Try to see the things at the subconscious level also, what different it is. Why do you remember an ad? But आपको पढ़ाई याद नहीं रहती है, because ad is made in the creative way, it directly bypasses your conscious mind and it hits your subconscious mind. Regular conscious mind patterns, whatever are happening, you just tend to forget them, because your mind works only in that 5% area. Rest 95% subconscious imprinting is already done. But if you put efforts, you can change your old patterns which are there in your subconscious mind and make the things happen. So focus on creating new skills in your life, reading new books, good books, which can help you to understand. Probably you might not be able to understand the things at the first level. Do multiple repetitions. There are few people in India, or there were few people earlier who could recollect the things even at the one glance. Like if you remember few surnames in the north, Tripathi, for example, इन लोगों के सरनेम ही ऐसे पड़े हुए हैं कि दे probably उनके ancestors कभी 3 बार याद कर लिया, हमेशा के लिए याद हो गया. अलग अलग तरह के whenever surnames come up, even they have their own history, that why exactly it has happened. Dwivedi, Trivedi, हर एक के surname के पीछे एक history होती है. So your subconscious mind defines how exactly your life will be. We'll move further to understand. So यहाँ पर जब भी आपको कोई changes करने हैं, positive changes अगर आपको आपके life में लाने हैं, if you have to create any positive changes, you have to make sure that you are putting honest efforts to create that imprint at the subconscious level. And it takes minimum 74 to 78 days, no matter whether you like it or not. People who do affirmations and leave the affirmations in between will never see any result in your life. Because affirmations first work on your conscious mind. Your conscious mind immediately tells you you are a fool. How exactly will it happen? You know that you are already having you're facing a bankruptcy, and you are saying that I am having a happy and blessed life. So it will never happen. So even when you are making an affirmation, you should also say that yes, I am in process of being rich. I am in process of being wealthy. If you say I am already wealthy, your subconscious mind will tell you are a fool. And many people who have seen movie Secret have made that mistake, which even Bob Proctor has acknowledged in some of his lectures. That yes, he has also mentioned, even Dr. Joe Vitale has mentioned, you always say that I am in process, so that your mind starts believing in it. I am in process of being healthy. I am in process of making my life healthy. I am in process of making my relationship healthy. Things will automatically happen because your conscious mind knows that how, in what deep shit the person is. It will not allow you to accept. So always try to use the word process. I am in process of being healthy, because life is always a progress. People who always complain that married life is not going good. A beautiful sentence which I always believe: marriage is always a work in progress. It can never be perfect. The day you say that my married life is perfect means something is wrong in your married life, and things can go really bad. Marriage life can never be perfect because every day both of husband and wife both are evolving. So you can't say that married life is perfect. So those who are having that blissful thought that yes, married life could have been perfect, please come out of that illusion. It never happens. But the positive point of it is always a work in progress. Whenever you go on highway, where especially the tar work is going on, you see the board, work in progress. Always keep in mind, like married life is like walking on the highway where the tar process is continuously going on. Continuously that construction of the road is going on, overhauling of the road is going on. नहीं तो मुंबई जैसे गड्ढे पड़ने में टाइम नहीं लगता है. So never expect that something is perfect. Your subconscious mind can make it happen. क्योंकि अगर आप बिलीव करोगे तो होगा, नहीं बिलीव करोगे तो बिल्कुल नहीं होगा. Now this comes about subconscious mind. Whenever people say that I cannot stop smoking no matter how hard I'll never be able to do it. तो जब आप कहते हो that how can I lose weight? I'm already 45. Everyone in my family is obese. I'll not be able to lose weight. My astrologer has told me that you are BN4, DN8, you will have a problem in your married life. जिंदगी में कभी आपकी married life ठीक नहीं होगी. Because your subconscious mind has accepted that yes, your married life will be bad. Your doctor has told you, for example, with due respect to all the doctors, that your doctor has told you that yes, you will have to take these medicines for lifetime. You will believe and you will work in that direction to prove it right. But you will not work on your thought process that why exactly this has happened. What is the root cause of this? And we'll go for the body's flight and fight mode mechanism in next 5 minutes. But don't try to buy any negative thoughts, any negative things which are creating the problem for your life. It is your body, your life. Now we'll be taking a deep dive for nervous system, that how exactly body works. यहाँ तक किसी को कोई doubt है? Any doubts, please raise your hand. होना तो नहीं चाहिए. जिसको थोड़ी भी थकावट महसूस हो रही है, please have some sugar so that you are able to see some energy in yourself. Sugar helps you in regaining the energy.
Hello, sir.
Hello, yes,
Can I?
Archana, yes.
Yes, sir. Archana, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, मुझे ये पूछना था कि जब भी हम कुछ भी पॉजिटिव थॉट कॉन्शियस करते हैं, तो कौन सा प्रॉब्लम या कौन सी सिचुएशन में पहले आता है, फिर संभालने लग खुद को कि नहीं अभी होने वाला है, ये अच्छा होने वाला है, लेकिन फर्स्ट सेकंड में वो निगेटिव थॉट पहला आता है मुझे, तो what I
It
have
is not only
क्या
about
करना
you.
चाहिए सर
Okay,
मुझे?
I'll put this question in English because there are few people who really need to understand in English. So like her question is that whenever she tries to think about something, the first point which comes in her mind is like negative, that it will not happen. It happens with almost everyone because it depends upon your blueprint, that what exactly has happened in your life, what circumstances you have gone through, how exactly your life was, who were the people surrounded by you, what events have happened in your life. Everything matters in your blueprint because probably the person must have seen so much struggles that his mind starts believing that yes, my life is full of struggles. Like I am a born destiny number 8, I'll have to struggle. I'm born destiny number 4, I'll have to see the impulsiveness in your life. So don't buy such beliefs. The thing is, you have to see that suppose, yes, if you have gone through the struggles, now how exactly can you work out on that? Now you know the basic traits. For example, I'll take an example. Suppose if someone says that yes, I'm PN4 DNA, and someone has told me that yes, I'll have to undergo lots of struggles, I'll see impulsiveness, I'll see this, I'll see that. Don't buy such beliefs, but try to work that yes, if struggles are seen, that how exactly can I work out on those struggles? If I'm having an impulsive behavior, can I make some mistakes? You can avoid those mistakes. Try to see what you have gone through. For example, suppose if you have gone through certain health issues, or maybe XYZ, and now you want to see that yes, life has to be good. Even if that the first moment you see that it is a negative thought, sit again, rework on it, observe that negative thought closely, that how negative it is. If possible, like a child's play, take a hammer in your hand, like visualize that you have a hammer in your hand, and break that thought into smallest possible pieces and throw it away, like push it away.
यानी सर जो नेगेटिव थॉट फर्स्ट टाइम आते हैं उसे आने देने चाहिए?
बिल्कुल आने देने चाहिए, because as per my knowledge or whatever I practice, once a week you should actually allow all the negative thoughts to come to you and analyze them कि कितनी गंदगी भरी हुई है दिमाग में, so that you are able to remove it and then replace it with the new thoughts. Because what happens is most of the times we tend to suppress many things. कि negative नहीं सोचना है, negative नहीं सोचना है, negative नहीं सोचना है. We always say that we should not think negative, but we are living a life where negativity is always there. So हफ्ते में एक दिन कोई ऐसा चुनो. Try to see one day or at least 1 hour in the week, entire week. Sit and just ponder over your negative thoughts and try to observe them, that why they are negative. In that 1 hour, you will see that at almost 20 to 50% of your thoughts, you are again able to convert into positive. Because those negative thoughts, you have been believing that those were negative. Because of the perceptions, because of the experiences which you had in your life, various things happen. So हफ्ते में एक दिन, give 1 hour to yourself to think only negative thoughts, whatever they come in your mind. Just sit quietly, observe those thoughts. I'm not saying that buy those thoughts. Observe those thoughts, that what is that worst negative which the person can think, and then work on it. Worst negative क्या आ सकता है? For example, if someone is detected with some health issue, think about it, that what can happen. And now how exactly things can be worked out. If someone is having a relationship issue, what worst can happen in that relationship, and how exactly you are responsible for that. How exactly circumstances are responsible. Work in that direction, because you can't ignore the things. For example, if your vehicle, you are driving on the highway, आपने चारों पहिए जो है गाड़ी के 35 का हवा भर दी है, you have like maintain the air pressure, but now you know that one of the tires is punctured. You know that one of the tires is punctured. What you do is You just tape it up with a proper, maybe some any puncture mechanism, and you drive it to the nearest, closest possible center where you can repair your tire. You know that things are negative. You already know that your tire is punctured, so you will go and make sure that you are repairing that tire. You just don't keep on running that vehicle continuously. So when you know that there are negative thoughts, give a break at least 1 hour in a week and try to understand what are those negative thoughts. Probably something new will come out of you. You must have thought about these things that they are negative, but probably they are not negative. They might give you something different. All these years, because of your belief system, you are thinking that they are negative, but they can be immediately, they can be turned into positive. The same way you do for your vehicle. अगर आपकी गाड़ी का पहिया पंचर है तो आप पंचर को एक थोड़ी दूर तक लेके जाते हो, बट उसको ठीक करते हो. जिंदगी में पंचर के साथ नहीं रहते हो. So work on your thoughts. See your negative thought, worst of worst negative thought, whatever can happen. See it, observe it, and you will see that you are able to make it in a better way. अब हम और आगे बढ़ते हैं थोड़ा सा. Now, when we say subconscious mind के सबसे ज़्यादा advantages. So whatever things you do, you are able to recollect permanently. Like 3 + 2 is 5. Because you have learned it completely. That has become an imprint in your mind. Before learning mathematics, you were not knowing it. Today you know 12 5 is 60 because that has been imprinted in your subconscious mind in such a way कि आप नींद में भी पूछोगे 19 5 is 85 आएगा आपको. I believe that you know the tables. जिनको आते हैं. So whatever happens, it happens out of practice. If you go back to your childhood, our parents used to sit with us and make us recite the tables. मुझे तो याद है मेरे मम्मी डैडी खाना नहीं देते थे जब तक टेबल रोज लिख के नहीं होंगे 20 तक. Because it is a basic fundamental which you know, which you should have and you should practice. Some basic things, whether we like it or not, we have to make a habit. We have to make a subconscious reimprint. बच्चों को टेबल आने ही चाहिए. चाहे वर्ल्ड कितना भी आगे जाए, दुनिया का फास्टेस्ट सुपर कंप्यूटर भी अगर बनता है तो भी वो बनता है सबसे पहले ह्यूमन माइंड में. It starts in the mind and then it comes into practical reality. And you can't carry a supercomputer everywhere. You need to know the basic mathematics that 12 5 is 60. अगर 1 डजन केले लेते हो तो आपको मैथ्स आना चाहिए कि कितना है. वो तभी आएगा जब आपके सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में रीइम्प्रिंट हो चुका है. So your subconscious mind allows you to learn many things which can help you for the lifetime. Now we will go for a bit interesting topic, जो मेरे लिए थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा interesting है. Every human being, with due respect to the doctors, अगर मैं कहीं गलती करूँ तो please माफ कर देना. Human body has 2 nervous systems, central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. Central nervous system जो होता है वो आपका brain and spinal cord. This is completely comprised about the central nervous system. And your peripheral nervous system, PNS, that starts from your spine and moves your entire body. Your entire body muscles, your entire nerves in the body, they come under peripheral nervous system. Peripheral का मतलब ही है ये है कि supporting, periphery. Periphery means the one which is around you. Main आता है central nervous system, which completely defines your motor movements. How exactly your life will be. आज आपकी जो भी body function कर रही है, it's completely based on the central nervous system. And central nervous system governs your peripheral nervous system. Hope I am speaking right and sense. Peripheral nervous system मतलब आपके body में जितने भी नसें हैं, ये सारे PNS के अंडर आते हैं. And main is central nervous system. जिसका अगर suppose if the central nervous system is damaged, it is like one of the biggest trauma for a person. Physical injury. Might be the person can go into coma, might be he can go into paralysis, or maybe something different can happen. Any injury to central nervous system is always fatal. Death, yes, medulla oblongata पे इंजरी होते हैं, इंसान की डेथ हो जाएगी. So अब हम जो नर्वस सिस्टम देखेंगे, सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम एंड पेरिफेरल नर्वस सिस्टम, यहां तक किसी को कोई डाउट है? Anything which starts from the brain and spine is completely central nervous system. CNS कहा जाता है. थोड़ा सा बायोलॉजी रिपीट हो जाएगा जिन्होंने पहले बायोलॉजी देखी होगी. कुछ लोगों को बोर हो सकता है, बट आई ऑनेस्टली से प्लीज स्टे इन द क्लास, डोंट स्लीप, क्योंकि आने वाले सारे लेक्चर्स इसी के बेसिस पे होंगे. Because hypnosis is all about working on your human body in whichever field you work. तो अब हमने देखा सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम एंड पेरिफेरल नर्वस सिस्टम.
जो पेरिफेरी वाला बताया आपने, ये जो हमारी नाड़ियां होती हैं पूरी बॉडी में, उसको
ये सारे पेरिफेरल में आती है. बिल्कुल, ये देखिए यहाँ पे ये सारी नाड़ियां दिखाई है
जी.
तो पेरिफेरल नर्वस सिस्टम starts from your spinal cord and runs in the entire body. Your each and every nerve comes under the peripheral nervous system. So if something goes wrong in your central nervous system, probably your peripheral nervous system also gets affected. Many people who feel that tingling sensations in their hand and legs, बहुत से लोगों ने आपने सुना होगा कि tingling आती है, numbness आती है, and then the doctor asks you to do a spine of your MRI of your spine. NCV टेस्ट वगैरह करने के बाद MRI स्पाइन का करने के लिए कहते हैं वो, that get us MRI done, because something if it is wrong in the central nervous system, it will affect your peripheral nervous system. जिन लोगों को डायबिटीज होता है उनके NCV की टेस्ट अलग होती है, but generally if you are feeling a continuous numbness in your hands, probably doctor advises you that you better get your MRI or CT scan done for the spine and cervical spine and the lumbar spine. Yeah, doctors will acknowledge this, that yes, this is what is done, because your central nervous system governs your entire peripheral. अगर आपके पास कोई client आता है hypnosis के अगले sessions के बाद, that I am having a numbness in the hand, you are not a right person to advise him anything. First and the most important thing is refer him to a doctor. Doctor says sheet लेके आओ, reports देखो, and let the doctor decide. So understand the body mechanism. We are not here to give any medicines to anyone. So we'll move further. पेरिफेरल नर्वस सिस्टम्स, जैसे मैंने कहा, ये बहुत ज्यादा मैं कुछ पढ़ूंगा नहीं. पेरिफेरल नर्वस सिस्टम क्या, जैसे मैडम ने पूछा, नाड़ियां जो होती है बॉडी में सारी नर्व्स, ये नाड़ियां, अभी अगर आप वो ईडा और पिंगला की नाड़ी की बात करोगे तो दैट इज नॉट अंडर मेडिकल साइंस. लेट मी पुट इट दिस वे. आयुर्वेदा कंसिडर करता है ईडा पिंगला एंड सुषुम्ना नाड़ी. एलोपैथी डॉक्टर से अगर आप पूछोगे कि ईडा पिंगला और सुषुम्ना नाड़ी क्या है, वो आपको पागल कह सकता है, because they believe in spine. Okay. So नाड़ी यहाँ पर जब मैं कहता हूँ, it means your nerves. जो भी आपके बॉडी में जितने भी nerves है peripheral nervous system में, we are completely discussing about the allopathy part of the human body. Nerves which come under the peripheral nervous system, because no doctor will believe that ida, pingala and sushumna होती है body में. That only spiritual healers will believe, Ayurvedic doctors will believe, homeopathic doctors will believe, but it is not covered in, at least not in depth for allopathy, as far as my knowledge goes. So focus on the peripheral nervous systems as nerves in your body. थोड़ा ज़्यादा बोर हो सकता है, but then we have to live for it for next 35 minutes or. अब यहाँ पर मेन चीजें आती है. Try to understand, try to see this picture first, and then we'll come to a live demo for something. Sympathetic nervous system जो है, it dilates your pupil, it increases your heart rate. इसको मैं ठीक से एग्जाम्पल्स के साथ समझाने की कोशिश करूंगा. कॉन्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ ब्लैडर, डाइजेशन को रोक सकता है या ट्रिगर कर सकता है अलग तरीके से. एंड पैरासिम्पैथेटिक नर्वस सिस्टम जो है वो स्टिमुलेशन के लिए होता है. सो नाउ Anyone has a chocolate at home? वो पदवी मैडम के पास तो पक्का होगा. आप chocolate लेके आओ. I'll try to explain how sympathetic nervous system works. Because once you understand the sympathetic nervous system, you will be able to help anyone. Also, you will be able to help yourself to come out of complicated health issues. But it doesn't mean that you should not follow your doctor's advice. Follow your doctor's advice, but work on the root cause through this concept. I have worked on myself. I have cured my diabetes, and I am sure about it. It works. तो बिल्कुल होगा. किसको प्यास लगी है प्लीज पानी पी लो. कभी कभी सुन सुन के बोर होता है, फिर नींद आती है.
सर ये जो आप बात बता रहे हैं सिर्फ डायबिटीज के लिए वर्क होगा, वो फिर थायराइड के लिए भी वर्क होगा जो अभी आप बताएंगे?
Pardon me?
The thing which you are telling that it will work for diabetes, will it work for thyroid
Excuse me,
also?
sir.
It will work for anything. I'll explain you the concept that what happens. हाँ जी, किसी ने excuse me बोला था, because now I have
Sir,
pinned
मैं-
her, so I will not be able to see.
Oh, नहीं सर, मैं
अच्छा आप ही
Excuse
थे.
me, पल्लवी
हाँ.
सर, पेस्ट्री है बहुत सारी,
चलो, बहुत अच्छी
चॉकलेट
बात.
नहीं है. बच्चे घर में है ना अभी.
नहीं आप खा लो.
ये आप चॉकलेट बिस्किट चलेगी सर, बिस्किट क्रीम डाली.
कुछ भी चलेगा. We have to understand
ठीक है,
how sympathetic nervous system works.
मैं ला रही हूँ सर बिस्किट.
कुछ भी चलेगा.
बिस्किट दो.
Because most of the things what happens is when your body is under continuous fight mode, you are under stress. And then how it works, how the stress can kill you. Honestly, I am saying that yes, how stress can kill you, ये अभी हम लोग समझेंगे. And it is a basis of hypnosis. Whenever you want to do any hypnosis, hypnosis मतलब वो नहीं है कि सिर्फ आप किसी का हाथ ऊपर किया, किसी को शक्कर कड़वी लगी. That is just a glimpse of hypnosis. Hypnosis means how exactly you are able to work on your body and how you can change it. Try to eat it.
एक मिनट सर.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल आराम से. छुड़ानी नहीं है ना आपको?
हाँ जी सर, बिस्किट
छुड़ानी नहीं है ना?
नहीं.
हाँ फिर ठीक है. फिर जस्ट खाने की कोशिश करो थोड़ी सी.
अच्छा.
Close your eyes and eat it. Just enjoy your eating. And now, I have kept you on the gun point. I have kept a fully loaded gun on your temples. And I can shoot it any time. Where is your focus? I can shoot that gun anytime. How are your muscles? How are your muscles?
सर स्टिफ हो रहे हैं.
और सोचने की कोशिश करो. I can shoot it anytime in next given 3 minutes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, shoot. Now, what happens here is, थोड़ा सा पानी पी लो, you will come out of that. वो जर्क लगता है उसका. Now what happens is, when she was eating whatever, whoever it is, like whenever, so एक छोटा सा example देता हूँ. For example, if you are eating your food, and now, if you are having your life at a gunpoint, gunpoint means it can be stress, anxiety, trauma, fear, anything you feel like, past painful memory, anything which is not solving your purpose, which is continuously keeping you under threat. अपने ब्रेन में amygdala नाम के 2 sensors होते हैं. There are 2 sensors in the brain called amygdala. They sense that yes, there is certain fear happening. I'll share the diagram also with you. That amygdala, I'll not go into the theory of brain, but amygdala directly triggers your adrenaline glands. Whenever any fear happens, first thing what happens is you try to run away from that. अगर आपके सामने अभी सांप आता है, if you see a snake beside you, first thing what you will do is you will run away from that place. And when you see a snake, how many of you have seen a snake? I really don't know, accidentally. The first thing what happens is your stomach gets empty. Satak se ekdam. Because the entire blood from your stomach is shunted to your limbs, to your hands and to your legs, because you want to run away of the situation. You have to save your life. आपके sympathetic nervous system जो आपके पेट से शुरू होती है, your stomach has almost 100 million nerves which are directly connected to your brain. So anything which, whenever any fearful thing comes in front of you, first thing what happens is the entire blood is shifted from your viscera to your legs. Your stomach goes empty. At the same time, now your body has realized कि वहां से तो आपको भागना है, means your body comes under the fight mode. उसी वक्त, whatever, suppose if you are eating something, your muscles are under stretched condition. Your muscles are under stretched conditions. The normal human biology says that whatever you eat, your muscles should absorb the glucose which is generated from the food. आप देखते हो टीवी में बच्चा खेल के आता है, मम्मी उसके लिए मस्त ग्लूकोन डी बना के देती है, because that glucon D helps the child to get the energy. So whatever food you are eating, it gives the energy. Now if your muscles are stretched, the first thing what happens is whatever glucose is being generated in your food, through your food, it gets mixed in your blood. Because बाकी कहाँ जाएगा? पूरा blood में ही रहेगा, and then you are having a very small sweet label called type 2 diabetes. At the same time, now when your adrenaline glands are triggered, your muscles are stretched, they also shrink your blood vessels at the same time. What happens at that time? Your heart has its own brain. If anyone has a doubt, they can read the book Heart of the Mind. Heart has its own brain. It starts thinking that blood supply is not there, and it starts pumping more and more blood. It tries to pump more blood. Whether it pumps or not, it's a different story. But it tries to pump. Your heart pumps more and more blood. It tries to pump more blood. Then it is labeled as high blood pressure at the same time. Third beautiful thing which happens at the same time is like your body now needs energy. So from where will this energy come? क्योंकि आपके muscles are already stretched, your muscles are already stretched. So the only thing what happens is cortisol is being generated in your body. It is being released in your body. And now this what this cortisol does is it starts forming jelly-like substances around the food which you eat. Because that cortisol, because that whatever it gets accumulated on your viscera, and then it helps you in seeing yourself with a small label called central obesity. Maximum people who are under threat, you will see that they have central obesity. पेट की तरफ वजन बढ़ता है, hip joints की तरफ वजन बढ़ता है, because central obesity शुरू हो जाती है. Your body is under continuous threat. Cortisol is being generated. आप cortisol level check करा सकते हो. You will see that your cortisol levels are increased. Central obesity is increased. तो ऐसे समय में फिर जब बॉडी में जो जनरेट हुआ है सारा शुगर वो ब्लड में ही रहता है, then your brain in the central nervous system starts thinking that yes, now probably this is the right way of the body, because when it comes over the period of time, when it becomes a pattern in your body, a time comes when insulin formation also stops. Because your brain tends to understand. Brain is always sending signals to all your organs that how exactly it has to work. The moment your body gets habitual to a certain level of sugar, and if you ignore it, there comes a time that insulin formation also stops, and then you get a small second label as type 1 diabetes, which comes under autoimmune category. Fourth, most important thing what happens is whenever your body is under threat, your immunity it will either shoot up or it will get compromised. When your immunity is shooted up, when your immunity is compromised, either if your immunity goes zero, suppose, then you will catch up with almost maximum infections because your immunity goes zero. But if your immunity increases like anything, hyperimmune ho jata hai, so you must have seen many people who get those rashes, those patches on their faces even when they go in the sun. जिसको ल्यूपस की बीमारी कहा जाता है ऑटोइम्यून में, सिंपैथेटिक सिस्टमैटिक ल्यूपस, SLE. So such disease also start forming because your body behaves weirdly under stress condition that you can't predict whether your immunity will be compromised or it will shoot up. So it is important for you to understand and work on the root cause. जो बंदूक यहाँ पे लगाई हुई है, जब तक आप उस बंदूक पे काम नहीं करोगे तब तक आप फिर इन डिजीज में से बाहर नहीं आ सकते हो. डिजीजेस, साइकोसोमैटिक डिजीज जब हम कहते हैं, चाहे वो स्किन रैशेस हो, बीपी हो, हाइपरटेंशन हो और बहुत सारे एलोपेशिया हो, कोई भी ऑटोइम्यून डिजीज तो बहुत ज्यादा हो जाती है. So understand, autoimmune disease doesn't have medicine. Problem with the autoimmune disease is that only its symptoms are being worked out. Of course, there are medicines in alternative therapy, homeopathy, Ayurveda medicines हैं. But in normal allopathy, symptoms are treated. So understanding the root cause is important. Here you can help a patient if someone is having an autoimmune health issue. Under the guidance of doctor, definitely you can help him or her to come out of that by releasing that mental pressure, that fear, that trauma, something which is continuously bothering you. Probably you might have to take some 5 to 7 sessions, 10 sessions, depending upon the deepness, depending upon kitna deep hai wo issue. So understand what is the threat level, understand what is the stress level, so that you are able to make the things happen. कुछ लोग आप बोलोगे सिर्फ मेडिकल के बारे में इतनी सब बड़बड़ कर रहा हूँ. हिप्नोथेरेपी, सेम थिंग इफ इट इज कंटिन्यूअसली हैपनिंग. फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ यू आर फेसिंग अ स्टेज, सामने 100 लोगों को देख के पेट में जो गड़बड़ होती है ना, दैट इज ऑल्सो अ ट्रिगर दैट कैन क्रिएट अ प्रॉब्लम फॉर द लाइफ टाइम. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, कुछ बच्चों को सपोज 1st, 2nd स्टैंडर्ड में, if the child comes in front of the class, सामने 60 students are sitting, and if the child makes some mistake, and if the teacher abuses or insults that child, that creates a long-term impact on the child, on his central nervous system में तो पूरा बैठ जाता है उसके दिमाग में कि अब मेरा insult हुआ, and then probably that continuously keeps a fear in his mind that he is not able to face the public. Next time, whenever he will go on the stage, his legs will tremble. He will start palpitating. He will see that palpitations are happening. पसीना आना शुरू हो जाएगा, because that has been imprinted in the mind. So never allow such nonsense things to happen in your life. Neither insult someone in such a way that it can create a problem for him or his life or anyone's life for lifetime. So please ये ध्यान में रखिए कि कभी भी try to speak in a good language so that the person's life doesn't get messed up, because your every word makes lots of difference. Now what happens is, sympathetic nervous system mein, you will see that your palpitation happens. I have explained to you the body fight and flight mode mechanism. Now once the situation normalizes, the body again comes back to the normal thing. Like आप जब सांप देखते हो, सांप देखते वक्त आपको थोड़ी देर के लिए डर लगता है, but once that snake is gone, you are normal. But if that snake is continuously around your neck, आप भगवान शिव तो हो नहीं कि आप हमेशा के लिए गले में रखोगे. He was a great person, he was a great God. But in our case, if continuously the threat is there, your body will be continuously, your sympathetic nervous system will continuously be active. And if your SNS system is continuously active, you are prone to have all sorts of disease. आपका parasympathetic nervous system अगर suppress हो जाए, SNS system active हो जाए continuously, So you are continuously under the threat and you will activate all sorts of health issues. So please work out on the root cause. That is most important, so that your parasympathetic nervous system also comes in picture. दूसरा example, मतलब for example, if something comes in front of your eyes, you immediately shut your eyes. And बाद में वो चाहे वो जो भी आंखों के सामने आया है, जब चला जाता है, you open your eyes because your parasympathetic nervous system tells you that your situations are normal. सिम्पैथेटिक नर्वस सिस्टम, यही मैंने अभी आपको पूरा एक्सप्लेन किया किस तरह से बॉडी काम करती है. सो यहां तक किसी को कोई डाउट है? बिकॉज आफ्टर दैट वी विल बी डूइंग अ स्मॉल एक्सरसाइज व्हिच आई हैव टोल्ड यू. यहां तक किसी को कोई भी डाउट है अबाउट नर्वस सिस्टम? एंड डॉक्टर्स प्लीज फॉरगिव मी और करेक्ट मी इफ आई हैव सेड एनीथिंग आउट ऑफ द ब्लू.
सर ये जो आपने बताया,
हाँ जी,
जो बच्चे के लिए कि अगर किसी बच्चे को ऐसे बोल दिया तो वो फिर अगर ऐसा किसी के साथ हो चुका है तो क्या हम उसे ठीक कर सकते हैं?
बिल्कुल ठीक कर सकते हो आप उसको हिप्नोथेरेपी सेशन के थ्रू, एनएलपी के थ्रू. बिल्कुल पॉसिबल है. आगे हम लोग करने वाले हैं हाउ एग्जैक्टली यू शुड वर्क ऑन दैट दोस थिंग्स. दैट्स द रीजन क्लिनिकल हिप्नोथेरेपी केम इनटू पिक्चर. Hypnotherapy came into picture. So it is possible. Second thing, as I told you yesterday, come with a positive mindset that yes, it is possible. दरवाजे अपने आप खुलेंगे. But if you come with the mindset, for example, if a client comes to you and if he is coming with the mindset that बड़े से बड़ा डॉक्टर ठीक नहीं कर पाया, ये गीता मैडम क्या ठीक करेंगे मुझे, he will never be okay. So important is our belief. For example, when you are having any health issue, anyone, and when you go to even your friend who has just done his BAMS or MBBS, you can get cured immediately because if you have a belief in that person, you have a trust in that person. But अगर आप ये जानते हो, for example, कि ये बंदा तो जिंदगी में कॉपी करके पास हुआ, ये क्या मुझे दवाई देके ठीक करेगा, आप कभी ठीक नहीं होंगे. So your belief is important. Medicine doesn't help you. Your belief in that medicine and your belief in that doctor helps you. The success of the treatment lies in the regime of the doctor who is helping you for getting cured. Medicine is just a means to cure. Your subconscious mind cures you, and iska pura blunt statement, it has been given beautifully. It has been explained by Dr. Fahad Bashir in one of his books, The Science of Emotions. इसको भी आगे क्लिनिकल हिप्नोथेरेपी में थोड़ा काम करना है या हिप्नोथेरेपी में काम करना है. They should definitely buy this book, Science of Emotions by Dr. Fahad Bashir. Amazon पे 600 रुपए के आसपास मिलती है. But it is worth reading. Don't go for a soft copy. Go for a hard copy. Those who are thinking that they will buy on Kindle, don't do it. Better buy a hard copy. Huh?
Sir, name repeat कर दीजिए please.
Science of Emotions, Dr. Fahad Bashir. ये दिखती है ऐसी है, एक मिनट. ये ऐसे दिखती है. हाँ दिखती है. हाँ छोटी सी है दिखने में. इतने बुक की उन्होंने कॉस्ट लगाई है 650. बट द थिंग इज दिस बुक कैन हेल्प यू टू अर्न इन लैक्स. दैट आई कैन गारंटी. ये बुक ध्यान से पढ़ना, लाखों रुपए कमा सकते हो बिकॉज इट हेल्प्स यू टू अंडरस्टैंड द ह्यूमन बॉडी. इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी दैट यू शुड बी अ डॉक्टर. डॉक्टर्स को अपना काम करने दो. वी शुड रेस्पेक्ट अ एमडी डॉक्टर. वी शुड रेस्पेक्ट अ एमबीबीएस डॉक्टर. लेट देम डू देयर वर्क. But your duty as a hypnotherapist is to work on the mind and understand that how exactly your body is functioning. Because if you don't understand the mechanism of how things are working, अगर आप गाड़ी चलाते वक्त, if you don't understand the mechanism of putting the gears, probably you will mess up with your car. It has to go step by step. So reading this book is definitely recommended. Highly recommended, and don't go for any soft copy or any Kindle edition. Buy it, buy a hard copy. It will help you.
Sir, Amazon पे hard copy नहीं है इसकी.
Amazon पे मिल जाएगी, ढूंढ लेना. Amazon, Flipkart कहीं पे ढूंढ लेना, मिल जाएगी. मुझे लेके अभी 2.5-3 साल हुए. आज भी वो बुक वैसे की वैसे नई बुक है. मुझे तो कभी कभी लगता है मैं पढ़ता भी हूँ कि नहीं. वैसे नया कवर है अभी भी उसका, बट वो मिल जाएगी आपको। साइंस ऑफ इमोशंस बाय डॉक्टर फहद बशीर ढूंढने से मिल जाएगी। इट इज वर्थ बाइंग। तो जहाँ कहीं अवेलेबल होगी फ्लिपकार्ट वगैरह ग्रुप में से लोग
It is, sir, it is there on Amazon. It is there on Amazon. Yes, I just saw it. It's there.
500 या 600 में होगी।
It is something 350 rupees. 350.
Amazing. I had
Yes.
bought at something like 550 or 560. So good if the price has been reduced now. So they want you to read it. Probably इसीलिए price भी कम हो गई है। So go for it.
Yes, sir.
Because even-
Ordered only.
Ordered?
Yep.
Great. Because if you buy it and even if you take a printout of that book, still it will cost you not less than 100, 120 rupees. But having an actual feel of the book makes a big difference. Especially this book, I recommend you that you should buy original book. It will change your life. अभी कल जैसा मैंने promise किया था, we have like this time 12 बजे तक time लगेगा. I hope everyone is okay with it.
Yes, sir.
उससे ज्यादा के लिए भी ओके हैं सर।
Yes, sir.
So I'm thankful to God. So today we'll try to learn one simple technique, which is termed as 3-screen technique. 100% काम करती है. The only thing is you have to put some efforts on that. First, I'll explain the technique, and then we'll do the technique. इसमें पहले क्या करना है आपको कि suppose if you want to see something in your life and don't put a huge goal, take a smallest possible thing. तो हमेशा मैं अपने NLP के वर्कशॉप में भी बोलता हूँ, chunk down your goal into smallest possible. आप एक चपाती पूरी एक साथ नहीं खा सकते, उसको टुकड़े करके खाते हो. So don't expect to be millionaire in the night. I remember your words, 100 CR. एक रात में 100 CR नहीं आते हैं, slowly हो जाते हैं. So believe that yes, something can happen immediately, and then work on it. So यहाँ पे आपको क्या करना है इस exercise में? What you have to do is, once you close your eyes, you have to see a screen in which your present situation is there. Then see it clearly. उसके बाद on the left side, see one more screen in which your exact situation which you want is there. And on the right hand side, see a screen which has all the resources available for you to make that things happen. Now, when you close your eyes, what you have to do is first, and it's everything in the visualization. It will only and only happen if you believe in it. Mano to Bhagwan, na mano to patthar. Simple language. So what you have to do is,
repeat कर दें, एक बार और repeat कर दें, sir, please.
What you have to do is, once you close your eyes, first see the screen where you are seeing your present. No matter how bad it is, or even if it is good, how to make it much better and best. अगर हम लोग positive, comparative, superlative देखते हैं, suppose if you are living a healthy life, how to make it more healthier. I'm not saying that everything has to be bad. अच्छे भी होता है, अच्छे से और अच्छा कैसे हो ये important है. अगर आप अंबानी साहब को बोलते हो कि आप काम रोक दो तो आपको बोलेगा पागल है, because he wants to grow it daily. He doesn't have a shortfall of money, but he is investing daily because he wants to earn. तो जो अच्छा है उसको और अच्छा कैसे करना है वो भी आप देख सकते हो. So here what you have to do is, first on the screen, see your present image. On the left side of the screen, see like a second screen, left side, see the actual image which what you want. And on the right hand side, see the screen that you have all the resources available for it. मतलब आपको मदद करने वाले दोस्त, आपका knowledge, आपका skills जो आप बढ़ा रहे हो, maybe some finances, whatever way. Now, once you close your eyes and once you start doing the process, first thing what you have to do is observe the initial stage. Then with your both the hands, just lift that screen, keep it on the left, pick up that second screen, सामने लेके आओ, यहाँ की जो थर्ड स्क्रीन है वो सेकंड स्क्रीन के ऊपर लगा दो, and see it as a combined screen now, that your future, whatever image you want, is actually happening with all the resourceful stages which you have. ठीक है, अब ये सब करने के लिए सिंपल तरीका, सिंपल कंडीशन ये है कि I'll pin myself first what you have to do, because without which I don't think it is so easy to make it happen, but if you do it this way it will happen. चलो इसको और ये जब आप किसी संत महंत लोगों की जब आप फोटो देखते हो तो क्या देखते हो वहां पे? उनकी आंखों को कभी देखा है? गुरु नानक साहब की फोटो याद कर दो, बाबा जी की आंखें कैसी होती हैं? आधी खुली होती है। गौतम बुद्ध आधी आंखें खुली होती है। यहाँ पर भी अल्फा लेवल में जाने के लिए, बिकॉज आवर माइंड टुमारो विल गो इनटू दैट डेप्थ ऑफ बीटा, अल्फा, थीटा एंड डेल्टा। यहाँ पर आज आपको करने के लिए या रोज करने के लिए व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज, ये जो प्यूपिल्स है इनको ऊपर ले जाना 20 डिग्री ऊपर, पल के बंद कर देना, ऊपर 20 डिग्री लेके जाना अंदर, and then see the screen, because the moment you do this your mind has a capacity to take you into alpha level. अगर इनिशियली पॉसिबल नहीं हुआ तो दिक्कत नहीं है, बट ये प्रैक्टिकली पॉसिबल है that you close your eyes and just shift your eyelids, pupils ऊपर की तरफ, take your pupils upwards and see the screen. यहाँ पर देखना है आपको, एग्जैक्टली सामने नहीं देखना है, यहाँ पे देखना है। फर्स्ट स्क्रीन, सेकंड स्क्रीन, थर्ड स्क्रीन। Then observe the first screen. ऊपर जब आप देखते हो तो this first screen देखो, second screen shifting this way, this way, this way. बिल्कुल होगा। यहाँ तक समझ में आया? We'll do the exercise right now. अब तक समझ में आया है?
जी सर।
चलो, okay, I'll put up something. Sorry. आई होप किसी को टाइम पास नहीं लग रहा है।
नहीं नहीं सर।
एक मिनट देना। I just put on the music.
In this auspicious Kshetram, Lord Narasimha appeared as Swayambhu deity.
Let's do it. Now, close your eyes. Shift your pupils 20 degrees upwards. Shift your pupils 20 degrees upwards. And visualize 3 screens in front of you. First screen exactly in front of you. Second screen on the left side. Third screen on the right side. Now, on the first screen, You will see your present situation, whether it is of your health, wealth, whatever things you want to see. Pick up only one objective. See that thing very clearly. If it is health, if it is wealth, if it is relationship, if it is job, if it is business, no matter what. Try to see it clearly on the first screen. Try to have a feel of that completely. I give you some time to have this feel. Feel it clearly, feel it clearly. Feel it clearly, feel it clearly. Make sure that your pupils are tilted upwards 20 degrees by closing the eyelids. Now on the left screen, that is screen number 2, see the outcome which you wanted to achieve, which you wanted to have, which you wanted to live the life. See it clearly. See how beautiful your life is now. Just see how beautiful your life is. Try to see how the scenario has changed, how your health has changed, how your relationships have changed, how your wealth has changed, how exactly the life has changed for you. See it clearly. Feel it strongly. Observe each and everything very clearly as if that thing has already happened in your life. Feel those vibrations in your life. Feel those vibrations in your body, in your life. Feel it strongly. Feel it strongly. Now, on your right hand side, there is a screen where you will be seeing all the resources which are there to help you to make your dreams true. It can be your parents, they can be your friends, they can be your skills, it can be your finance, it can be anything. But see all the screen, all the resources on the right hand side. Now, as I count from 3 to 1, you will shift the screen number 1 towards left. The screen number 1 which has your present problems, present life, towards the complete extreme left, where you will not be able to see it anymore. And bring the screen number 2 and 3 exactly in front of you. Screen number 2 is your bright future, whatever things you wanted to achieve, whatever things you have achieved. And screen number 3 has all the useful resources for it. As you have brought these two screens in front of you, visualize in the child's way or whatever way that you are mixing up these two screens completely and forming a new resourceful state for yourself. Complete successful image of yours, which is having all the resources in the world, which is successful, and now see that image clearly. That healthy image, that perfect health, perfect weight, perfect relationship, whatever you want to visualize. See it clearly and see yourself how successful you are there now in the second and third screen mixed up. Feel it strongly. See how confident you are. Feel that strongly. Feel it strongly. As you are listening my voice, I know you have started experiencing those changes in your mind and body. While you are changing, while you are seeing yourself into this resourceful state in a successful way. Also, I know your mind has started believing that yes, you are successful, as you have all the resources which you really need in your life. I know that you don't know, that you know that you're already successful in your life. As I know that you don't know that you never knew that you will be successful in your life. See that resourceful image in front of you. How confident you are into that image. Complete confident life in front of you. You have left your past completely behind. Now you are completely successful, and feel that success in your present body. Feel that success in your body. Feel that success in your body. On the count of 5, slowly you will see and feel that successful image coming towards you and getting imprinted in your present body, making you feel completely successful and confident, completely confident. See that other you coming towards you. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Feel that other you completely inside you who is successful, having all the happiness which the person really needs as per their choice. Feel that happiness in your life. See how successful you are. See how happy you are. Feel that happiness. Feel that happiness. You are into a complete relaxed state and mind. Your body is completely relaxed. And now as I count from 10 to 1, as I count from 10 to 1, slowly you will see that your body has imprinted all the success patterns which are needed to be successful. And you will feel that confidence. You will see that you are able to make your life better. You are able to imprint those healthy patterns. You are able to see that best of the best things in your life. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Your mind and body are completely relaxed. You are into a complete happy state of mind. Your mind and body are completely relaxed. You are completely happy. Your body is completely relaxed. You are into a complete happy state of mind. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Please open your eyes. Very slowly open your eyes. किसी को कुछ महसूस हुआ? कुछ नहीं हुआ. 20 डिग्री आंखें ऊपर ले जाने के लिए तकलीफ हुई.
सर वो तो नहीं कर पाए 20 डिग्री वाला, लेकिन आईज थोड़ी क्लोज करके किया.
Perfect. Doing is important because if you believe that it will not happen, then it will never happen.
दो चीजें शेयर करूंगा.
हाँ जी सर.
एक तो पॉजिटिव, आई डोंट नो वेदर दिस शुड हैव हैपेंड और नॉट, लेकिन मेरे को एक पॉजिटिव ये मिल गया कि जो रिसोर्सेज वाली स्क्रीन है,
हाँ,
और जो आउटकम तक नहीं पहुंच पा रहा है,
हाँ,
उसका शायद एक मिसिंग लिंक मिल गया कि कनेक्ट कैसे करने का है.
Amazing. You will see the results in 21 days. रोज इसको कर देना.
मतलब एक कहते ना, एक यार इसको ऐसे नहीं ऐसे कर ले, आ जाएगा रिजल्ट.
100% आ जाएगा सर. मे बी क्लास खत्म होने से पहले आपको सॉल्यूशन मिल जाएगा रोज.
Great.
से पहले.
Secondly, I had a rush of colors when you were saying that on the count of 3 the screens will come into your body.
हाँ.
तो solid colors का dark blue, dark red मेरी बॉडी में आ रहा है एकदम से. स्क्रीन नहीं, कलर आ रहे हैं.
Colors, yes. So it shows that you did it genuinely and you could absorb that positivity, because finally everything lies in the subconscious mind. As I have been saying from day one, subconscious mind doesn't understand the difference between reality and imagination. You can fool your subconscious mind anytime, but if you fool it for the positive outcome, you will see that you can be successful and no one can stop you.
मैं तो डर गया, मैं कहा स्क्रीन्स की जगह कलर्स आगे पता नहीं क्या हो गया।
नहीं नहीं, बहुत अच्छी बात है। और किसी को कोई एक्सपीरियंस आया? 12:05 हो गए।
लास्ट में आपने कहा ना कि काउंट करा था कि आके एक में अंदर है, तो उस वक्त एकदम से झटका सा लगा बॉडी में जब अंदर आते वक्त।
चलो ग्रेट, बहुत अच्छी बात है। 12 बज के गए, अब तक आप लोग कोई थके नहीं हो?
नहीं सर, नहीं थके।
सर आप सुबह तक कर लो।
हाँ सर, हम कर सकते हैं क्लास तो।
मैं चाहूंगा 11 दिन का सेशन कंप्लीट कर दो और 7-8 घंटे में, बट वी आर ह्यूमन।
यस, हेलो सर।
हाँ जी
सर,
यस।
मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि मैं जो ड्रीम देख रही हूँ या मेरा जो हेल्थ का है वो सब मैं खुद, मुझे कॉन्फिडेंस आ गया कि मैं वो सॉल्व कर रही हूँ, मेरा हो रहा है, तो वो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था सर।
कॉन्फिडेंस और हैप्पीनेस फील हुई।
हाँ सर, स्माइल आ रही थी फेस पे, ऑटोमेटिकली आ रही थी सर वो इमेज
कोई अच्छे एक्सपीरियंस आए? आसिम जी आप हैं क्या? आसिम सर हैं आप?
हाँ सर, हूँ ना।
अरे सर चेहरा दिखाओ ना, 4-5 साल हुए देखा नहीं आपको अभी।
ओके, एक मिनट सर।
नमस्ते।
नमस्ते।
Could you feel some difference?
Yes.
Because I guarantee you, by 11th day, you will see some good things coming up for iGenie.
Okay.
You will be able
Thank
to
you.
take it to a different level, for sure.
Great.
आपका थोड़ा सा इंट्रोडक्शन दे दूं?
हाँ बिल्कुल, go ahead.
Asim Gupta ji is one of the best friends from Indore. A person who also has, I believe अभी है या नहीं पता नहीं, but helicopter का business था इनका, buying and selling of helicopters.
Wow.
Apart from that, he is a very good technocrat. And ये सब चीजों से अलावा असली मायने में अगर इंसान से मिलना है या मिलना होगा, I have seen him and his family, and the way they had helped me when I was in Indore. Honestly, I can acknowledge it on public platform.
अरे सर ऐसा कुछ नहीं किया सर।
It was just because of you that I'm here.
नहीं सर, ऐसा कुछ
A
भी
very
नहीं है।
amazing human being, a very good technocrat, down to earth person, and I'm blessed to have him to join this course. बहुत अच्छा है। And sir आपको देख के बहुत अच्छा लगा आज, इतने सब very good friend of mine. So
finally someone else from Indore. इतने सारे
someone
courses
else
के
from
बाद।
Indore, yes.
Yeah.
I told you, if you remember, I had told you that I have
Hello
a friend
Asim
at.
sir, I'm also from
Hello.
Indore.
Hi. Great.
Better,
Where
sir.
are you? Where do you live in Indore?
Racecourse Road sir.
Racecourse Road. Okay, great.
And you?
South Tukoganj.
तुकोगंज आपको पता है
Oh,
ना?
very nearby we are.
Yeah, very nearby.
My best friend lives there.
चलो अभी बहुत हो गया इंट्रोडक्शन।
Yes.
किसी को कोई एक्सपीरियंस आ गया? So that we can
Yes,
break for today.
I would like to share. So
Yes, please, Mona.
It
Can you
was
please can you put on your camera if possible?
lights off है तो कुछ दिखेगा नहीं. My little one is sleeping.
Okay. She is one of the best angel healers in India. I can vouch on her healings.
Oh, thank you
Excellent
so
angel healer.
much. This means so much to me. All right, but
was your
the wonderful
experience?
experience which I wanted to share with everyone here. As he says, the three screens in that I have seen, एक present देख लिया, एक future देख लिया. So, but this time seeing with his help और जिस तरह से इन्होंने hypnotize किया, I actually felt like I lived my future dream. And I have literally seen myself a complete healthy, the complete what I actually always wanted. And now I feel that I don't have any doubt to achieve that.
Sure, great.
It
And
was
very soon we are
I'm really
coming live, just to put it on this platform so that it becomes a commitment. Very soon she is coming live on our Facebook group Mastermind for her interview about tarot and angel reading. बहुत जल्दी आएगा इसका इंटरव्यू, लाइव होगा, फेसबुक एंड यूट्यूब पे जाएगा. So
All my pleasure.
I think we should take a break. आप सबके घर वाले भी इंतजार कर रहे होंगे. और प्रकाश सर, how was your experience? Just 2 minutes extra. Hope you liked it. Very senior person in the group. Abdul Ghani sir, I hope today it was perfect. I could add some English in this.
Yeah, thank you very much. I
It's my
understand.
pleasure because yesterday it was a basic introduction, so I'll make sure that henceforth whatever we are doing, we'll make sure that we try to utilize maximum English words so that it becomes that today's notes, whatever are coming, are completely in English. I would say that yes, please, every one of you, please go through the notes, understand the body system, understand this how exactly body works, and the most important thing is कल जो शक्ति चक्र बताया असिन सर, मैं आपको शेयर करता हूँ. शक्ति चक्र, please practice it. Unless and until you practice it, you will see that you are not able to make the things happen. You have to do it. दिन में 5 मिनट निकालो, 10 मिनट निकालो, but make sure that you are practicing it.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, हाँ जी.
I have a question, sir.
Yes, sir.
I want to know the final picture we have to put in our left or right brain. Which one?
Okay. Don't think about left or right brain. Your brain will take care of that.
Yeah.
Your brain will take
So
care.
whenever it's front of us, you want to know, for example, the complete picture is front of my left hand or right hand.
I'll just put you on the screen. Abdul sir, what we have to do is, on the first screen, you have to see the
Yeah.
present situation. On the left screen, see the outcome, what you have actually achieved. And on the third screen, see the resources which are available for you.
Yeah.
Now, once you have seen the first image clearly, shift it to the left, to the extreme left, so that it doesn't come forward. Then take second and third screen immediately in front of you, so that you don't have any doubt. Like our subconscious mind starts doubting. Mix it immediately, amalgamate it, and make a
Okay.
new successful picture. And then see it continuously. It gives 100% results. That I can
Thank
guarantee.
you. Thank you very much.
Okay, sir. So I hope I have lived up to your expectations, everyone, today.
विवेक जी, एक चीज पूछनी थी. जब विजुअलाइजेशन कर रहा था तो कुछ स्टेप के बाद नींद आनी शुरू हो जाती है.
हो जाती है.
हाँ.
The first and the most important thing for that is if someone is feeling sleepy, sleep. Don't overexert yourself.
Okay.
Don't overexert yourself. It will happen because once you determine that yes, I have to do it, a day will come where you will see that yes, things are happening. So don't overexert yourself. Things will be perfectly fine.
और
रोज कर देना.
हाँ, शक्ति चक्र का मैं बताना चाह रहा था. जब कल कर रहे थे तो मेरे से 30 सेकंड भी नहीं हुआ, और आज मैंने करीबन 15 मिनट किया, जिसमें सिर्फ एक बार पलक झपकी है, और बहुत अच्छा सेशन रहा वो.
You will see that your psychic powers are increasing like anything. वहां बैठ के आप कहाँ क्या हो रहा है देख पाओगे. 10 से 15 दिन में you will start seeing that your intuitive powers are increasing like anything. 100%. It works amazingly. But इसका scientific proof आपको कहीं मिलेगा नहीं. But you yourself will realize that yes, these powers are coming to you. बिल्कुल हो जाएगा.
सर, पैसे निकलवाने वाली एक्सरसाइज अभी कराओगे ना?
वो आ जाएगी ना सर. सबसे पैसे निकलवाने अगले क्लास के. अगला कोर्स लॉन्च करना है ना मेडिकल न्यूरोलॉजी का.
डेफिनेटली सर.
एक्सक्यूज मी सर.
हाँ जी.
कल जैसे हमने टेलीपैथी की बात की थी ना.
हाँ.
तो ये मेरा पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस है. अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम जब भी मैं किसी फ्रेंड के बारे में या किसी के बारे में सोचती हूँ एंड वन आई रियली वांट टू स्पीक विद देम, आई वांट टू कम्युनिकेट विद देम एंड कंटिन्यूअसली आई थिंक ऑफ एनी पर्सन विद whom I want to communicate and it happens कि उनका फोन आ ही जाता है और हमारी बात हो जाती है. So
it shows that how active your chakras are and how pure soul you are.
And many a times, sir, it's really many a times I have seen this.
सर अक्सर ही हो जाता है, मेरे साथ भी यही है कि किसी के बारे में सोचो कि बात करनी है और उसका खुद ही कॉल आ जाता है.
And अभी 2 दिन पहले की बात कह रही हूँ. A friend of mine, like 2-3 महीने से हम टच में नहीं थे, मतलब हमारी बात नहीं हो रही थी. And I was thinking कि यार क्योंकि घर में भी गेस्ट वगैरह आए हुए हैं, so I was a little busy and all. So मैं सोच रही थी रोज यार कोई मैसेज भी नहीं आ रहा है, कुछ मैसेज भी नहीं आ रहा है. एंड कल मैसेज आया. अभी मैंने स्टार्ट किया सोचना and I got the message.
You will see that things are getting better. You practice Shakti Chakra daily. Things will improve like anything.
Thank you.
Abhi,
Thank you.
good night.
Good night, sir. Good night,
Good night, everyone. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you very much, sir.
Good night, everyone.